Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, please subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to see new videos, okay? Share this video. Are you looking for whitening products? Please, whitening products that when you use, you will see result in 7 days without any side effect. Are you looking for glowing products that when you use, you will see result without side effect? Your skin will come out very glowing, lightening, moisturized look. In other words, you look plumpy. If you want to be white, you white clean. No knuckles, not product that you will use. You'll be seeing knuckles, no knuckles product you will use that they will not give you any, pigmentations, Those are great products. If you're looking for those products, we got you covered. All right, we can customize for you. We can ship everywhere worldwide. In 3 days, you get your product. Okay, that's not what we're here. Today, we'll be talking about silky papaya lotion. You all know that silky papaya lotion. As a matter of fact, they said it's a 7 days whitening product or lightening product. Go read it, go through it, and you're getting it. Yes, I must tell you the truth that it is a 7 days whitening product, but not as they said. Okay, I'm always here for the truth. So, sometimes people say, "Oh, Global, did that people pay you for saying all this?" No, go read about it and you do your research by using it or give to somebody to use. They said it's 7 days, but it's not 7 days. All right, but the lotion is very good. Absolutely is a good lotion, and in the sense that when you use it you will see result. Not that you won't see result, you will see a perfect result, but not in 7 days. As a matter of fact, I recommended it to some of my clients way back that when they use product and they will be seeing side effect and all that, so they asked me. I said they should stop using some products for now, which they stopped, and I recommended that silky papaya for them. And let me tell you, the product is a very good product that when you use it, it will make your skin very neat, in the sense that so long you don't have big damages on your skin before. That is one thing. If you don't have damage on your skin before, or if you have damages on your skin, they are not too much. All right, it has extent the product can go. Now let me tell you about the product, how it works when you use it. If you're using it, make sure you use it with a good oil. Yes, make sure you use a good oil. The product also moisturize. The product is 7. I told you, any lotion that, if you want to know about any lotion that is good, that lotion, no matter how lightening or whitening the product is, that product or that lotion should have a tendency of moisturizing your skin before lightening you. So there are some products that when you see that they don't moisture at all, and people would like to that it moisture, which it doesn't. So this product, it moisturize, make your skin very look good. So if for those of people who your skin is very tough, that you complain your skin is very tough, no matter how your skin tough, use this product, you will see a good result. And they also have a SPF, but the SPF is not that strong. So I will always advise you that to get your own SPF to add to it. All right, so people be asking me, what is SPF? What is SPF? SPF is basically a sun protection from UVB, UVB rays. So like it protects you from the sun. And I still want to tell you that the SPF is not for only it's not for only your face. SPF can be used all over the body, because a lot of people don't know about that. They just think it's just for face. It's not for only for face. All right, yes, it's a sun protection. Okay, so as a matter of fact, prevent your skin not to have all those pigment, because when you enter sun, because a lot of pigment comes from the sun. You can get sunburn, you can get any other side effect. Then I just want to let you to understand also that this product, as you see this product, when you're using it, you can add a good soap to it. And if you have a good soap, if you want to have this plumping evil tone you're looking for, the product can really help you regards to your skin anyway. Skin different, but the product can give you that color you want, that evil tone you want, and with a good soap. So let's quickly see. I wrote the things down. The things the cream content some of the ingredients. I think we have I'm talking about silky papaya in case you're just coming in. So I think we have a niacinamide, we have a salicylic acid, and we have a sodium EDTA, and we have papaya extract. You hear the name, so there's every tendency that papaya extract must be. And you know salicylic acid is basically, it works for pigmentation. All the everything here, they work for pigmentation. So you wouldn't want to say, what could be this or what be the all the names for yes, so they are working for hyperpigmentation, and it's very, very good. And that papaya extra, it's a good thing, like it lightens, and if you use some people when their skin, their melanin not too their skin, they don't white. That's why I think that is why they are, humping it, directing that it's a 7 days whitening product. If your skin, I don't know if I'm talking too fast, but listen, if your skin, if you're not to get for your body, if you're not to if you don't to have a melanin, so what produces your melanin, if it's not that too much, you can use this kind of product. It will always whiten you. Yes, but if you want it to work fast, that, yes, like as I'm saying, you cannot add blend pronine, you can add mix blend pronine. There's no doubt you will not miss road. If you add blend pronine, no matter it is, then your skin is so tough. If you add blend pronine, you will not miss road, you will get white in 7 days. It is what it is. All right, but basically this product is a good product. If you use it with the soap or any other soap that really works very well, I would advise you to use it with the soap. All right, use it with the soap. What is inside the lotion is what inside the soap. So I will advise you to use it, and you can see result in a fast week. You'll see it within 3 weeks. Are you getting it? And trust me, it works. But for those of you that say you complain that it dries my skin, like I told you, you can look for a good oil to use to add to, or a good butter oil to be using, or moisturizer to always, maybe you are not feeling the effect of the moisturizer, you can get another moisturizer to be using, but above that, this product is 100% working. So if you're going for it, go for it, but do not abuse it, because there are some people who abuse product, and that is the problem. Now we've come to the end of this video. If you want us to customize for you for this festival period, if you want us to produce for you for this festival period, you can call on us, and don't forget that we ship everywhere worldwide. All right, bye bye.